Hi, in today's video, we will take a look at ATAS platform, how to download it and how to connect data and etc. ATAS is key order flow software that we will use to monitor our order flow setups. In short, ATAS takes data from the exchange and displays it to us in more details. Therefore, we can see absorptions, delta, imbalances, volume areas, and so much more. And this is really crucial and really essential when it comes to trading, at least with our strategy. You can download ATAS from their official website. As of the date of this video, the crypto version of ATAS is free. In the free version, you can connect one exchange and access basic indicators such as footprints, heat map with limited history, and most of the volume tools. If you only want to use ATAS for order flow analysis, the free version will be enough. However, if you want to use ATAS for both trading and analysis, you'll need to purchase paid plan, since trading and analysis requires access to two exchanges, so two connections. And the free plan allows you to connect only one exchange. After downloading ATAS, you can create an account and log in. Once you log in, this workspace will appear. Before we start setting everything up, we need to connect the exchange from which ATAS will pull data. Since Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world, we want to receive data from it. However, we will send our orders through phemex because it's safer and offers better conditions. So Binance will be source of data and phemex will be place, exchange where we will trade. To connect Binance with ATAS, you need to have Binance account. If you don't have one yet, create it. It's very simple. In your account section, you will find the API interface. Create a new API there. It's enough to use system-generated API. Then I will choose the name of the API. Type, for example, ATAS API, it doesn't matter. But what does matter is the API key and API secret. Screenshot that, save it somewhere because this will be really important. Keep this window open and launch ATAS. Click on Connection, type Binance and connect the exchange using your API key and API secret. At this point, ATAS is pulling order flow data from the largest crypto exchange, Binance, so we will receive high quality and very reliable signals. However, as I said, Binance has issues with execution speed and security, so we will use phemex for placing our trades, and Binance will be used only as a data source. So now we will set up the workspace in ATAS. In the home window, click on Charts and open BTC USDT on Binance Futures. This will be really important. Make sure you are using Binance Futures because we are pulling data from Binance. Now we need to turn on and set up the footprints. To save you time, I've provided the template of my settings in video description. So download it and add it to ATAS. Again, the process is very simple. Just import my template, click OK, load, and you will have it. Now we will save the entire workspace so it loads automatically whenever you start ATAS. So go to Workspaces, click Add, name your workspace, for example ATAS Crypto Trading, and click OK. Now when you close ATAS and reopen it, you'll be able to choose which workspace you want to load. So we have ATAS set up and this is where we will analyze order flow. Briefly, here's what we have. At the bottom, we see statistical clusters. These boxes show the delta, max delta, min delta, and volume for each candle. On the right side, we have the DOM, depth of market, where we'll be monitor passive market participants. Then we have the footprints, where we will monitor aggressive market participants. On the left side, you will find the basic charting tools, like trend lines, etc. At the top, you can change time frames, just like in TradingView. For example, if you select 5-minute time frame, each candle represents 5-minute period and shows the behavior of market participants during those 5 minutes. And that's basically everything we will use in ATAS. In future videos, we will look at the individual features of ATAS and learn to understand them in depth. So if you want to continue learning, visit our website learneracademy.eu, where you will find full order flow crypto trading course from A to Z with free PDFs. Each module has separated videos explaining the specific topic, so it's easy to learn. If you are interested, I'll leave you a link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching.